Hello guys, in this episode of web development we are going to learn about CSS basic introduction to CSS. In the last episode we learned how to add videos and links to our website. In this episode we are going to have an introduction about CSS or cascading style sheet, which is used to style make a website look good. CSS is actually easy. Only you have to remember the tags and their properties. It's very easy. We created this last episode. Today we'll try to add some CSS to it. Let me create a new file. Let's go to syntax and change the CSS. Yep, and we'll save it in the folder we have. We are here yet. We'll name it style.css, which is actually the official, which is actually the normal one to use, unless you have something else for it. Now let's see. CSS is actually easy. Now we have to link the CSS here because we can have multiple files, just like images or videos. We have to link them in the head section. Not only this, but also JavaScript too. Link is how we open it. Then rel is equal to style sheet, so the website recognize this as a style sheet, and which is used to style the website. Now h or ef equals your style. We saved it as style.css, right? So here you are it. That's it. We are linked. You can see it's highlighted now. You can also create your own styles here inside HTML inside, without the need to create a new file. You can have it over here. Open style and close style. Let's just have it for now. We are not gonna do anything in that now. You're gonna see there and come here. Now we linked it there. Now let's go there, and basically it's damn easy. Let's suppose you have the HTML tag, the head tag, the title tag, then the body tag, which defines the structure. So let's type in body, and we are gonna link it to the body. Come here, type in background color and give it red also, and close brackets. You can see it's so easy. I'll show you in just a second. You can see we saved it now. We linked it correctly. If we did all cut, it should come. See, that easy. You can see how easy it is now to use CSS on style your websites. Still you may wonder, this is not that much of styling, right? I'll get to it now. You can also style it here. I'll just delete it, save it. Let's go here and also type the same thing. Body, you gonna have background. You can also use hexadecimal values for colors, such as this hashtag ef also, and then we'll just close it. Yep, that'll do. Let's save it now. The color should have changed a very little now. Instead of this, let's go red. No, let's go blue. If we did everything cut, it will come now. Are you sure now? You can see it's blue now. You pretty much can see the links here. Okay, we don't need it now. Facebook can close now. Yep, Facebook can close. Let's just close this, guys. Yep. Come here. Okay, now you can see you can style inside the HTML document or link it to another and style that I'll most probably go with that because that's even very much organized. I love organized things. Now the things you can do with CSS is very huge. Even Facebook, everything you visit has CSS. Now let's give an ID to our h1 tag, heading tag. Every tag can have its attributes or properties. h1, I'm gonna give it sort of an ID call also. Let's give it an ID title. Yes, because it's a title, I can save it. Now what you wanna do here is, when something let's suppose you have h1 and give it a color red. Color is nothing but the text color. We don't need background color now because it's h1. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is have another h1 over here and type it like hello. Okay, we'll save both. Now let's preview it. You can see they both have been changed into red color. Now what I'm gonna do here, I want such that this is h1, this is h1. I just want the color of this to be changed instead of all the h1s. As I told you, h1 affects every h1, every heading over here. Even it applies for applies for video, applies for title also. Now I just need this one to turn red. I have given it an ID title, so I'm gonna type in hashtag title is how you link it with IDs. Okay, if it has an ID title, you can give it hashtag title over here. Open this, give it a color. Let's suppose blue, and let me close it. Yep, now we save this. Let's preview it and see this alone turns blue and this is in the default color. Now I want that to be blue too, so I give ID equals title. Now I'll show you now the output and you can see what it does. See, they both change into blue, and I'm gonna quickly delete it so I can have it more organized also. Now what I'm gonna do is gonna add a paragraph. Okay, and I'm gonna type in hey, right, and I'm gonna close P. P doesn't have nothing now. Let's give P an ID. I'm gonna give same title now. Save it. Now as per the CSS, any ID with any ID title, any element having the ID title will have the color blue. So as goes for body, the whole body is applied this, the whole title is applied with this. Now when I run this, you can see hey is also blue in color. Now I don't want that, I only want title. I'll show you the output now, guys. Now you can see that anything with the ID title will have the color blue. Now I think you have basic understanding of CSS. Let me show you another thing now. instead of title or instead of ID, you could have a class. Class is nothing but same as ID, but the different one. Let's say class can be useful in JavaScript also. Now say these two are affected because this does not, this is class, and for class how we get into CSS is dot title, dot uh, title, or whatever the name you gave here, or it's your wish. Come here, let's give it a color green. Okay, and then we'll just close it. That's it. Dot title. Now say it's green. You have basic understanding. If it's class, it's dot title. If it's ID, it's hashtag, the name you give. Now let's suppose I don't give it a dot, nothing will happen. There's no tag as title, and this does not work. CSS is very easy. There are so many tags in CSS, like padding, margins, a lot of things, overflows. They wanna get to that borders, a lot of things, background colors, background images. We'll get to them later. This is just a basic understanding of CSS. So hope it helped you guys. It's just an introduction, and I taught you how to link it over here. If you want another CSS file, you could just link it just like this. It's very easy. We're gonna do a lot of episodes on CSS and HTML together, and little JavaScript. So if this episode helped you, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if it helped you, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want any help.